Hello everyone, my name is Peter. Today I will test. How to the test.
Okay, let's read the words with the sound G sounds. So yeah.
Huge, cage, sage, page, wedge, fudge, fridge, bridge, puzzle, bubble, sparkle, turtle, handle, table, castle, eagle, ankle, little, table, KO, maple, needle, couple, stable, cycle, Bible, pistol, turbo, dozzle, cradle, battle, cattle, pebble, people, marble, temple, musical, muscle, mingle, mumble, tangle, angel, macho, level, motto, tower, vowel, tunnel, parcel, cancel, pixel, jewel, channel, tinsel, castro, quarrel, squirrel, total, capital, decimal, marble, table, local, pistol, metal, central, final, dental, purple, pupil, utensil, pencil, pencil, stencil, lentil, fossil, evil.
Okay, let's read the story. Soft G sounds. Soft and hard C sounds. Ready?
Yes. The cage is cold. The alligator is cold. Here is girl. The alligator is glad. They go on a bicycle. They go in a car. This is a city garden. They eat candy